If you forget your iPhone password, then you need to reset your passcode, but there is no reset option or forgot passcode option on your iPhone. Let's see how to fix it. Download and install 3U Tools. Now click on Fix Driver Fix Now. If you see any errors, you can fix your driver from here. Now connect the PC and iPhone with a good quality USB Type-C cable. Now, ukulele press and release volume up and volume down. Then hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears. Go to Flash now. Then you need to download iPhone iOS. This download takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. After 20 minutes, the download is complete and the iPhone exits recovery mode. Now do this process again. Quickly press and release the volume up button and volume down button. Then press and hold the power button on the side until the Apple logo appears. Here you can see that the iPhone iOS download is complete. Now select the option to erase data. Then click to start flashing. Your iPhone data will be erased, but iCloud data will be restored after iPhone setup. This flashing process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the iPhone is flashing successfully. Now set up your iPhone, making it look like a new iPhone.